on, guys? Welcome to our channel. So today we're going to be doing a quick explanation and review of what it is to own a car for over 100,000 miles. So this car was purchased from my older brother, Serge. Serge, if you want to kind of explain or tell us your story. So you bought this car back in 2009, right?
Yes, from Copart.
Yes. Okay. And how many miles did the car had at the time?
29.
29,000, and you got what, 120 something?
It's about 130.
130, so 100,000 miles on this car. Okay, so obviously it's been a great car. It served you well. I guess no issues. As far as maintenance, anything major they had to do on it?
No, just a few recalls, but that was done by the dealership and it was covered by the dealership.
Nice,
so.
nice. Okay. What about as far as modifications? What did you do as far as modifications? Let's start from the front.
Well, I had to change the bumper already a few times because I lowered it. The bumper is a F-style bumper. Lowered it on the H&R springs. Also got HKS?
HKS exhaust, okay.
Yes.
You also replaced these headlights too as well, right?
Yes, I did.
These are not original.
They're not original, that's why it's a little bit harder to remove the light bulbs and change the light bulbs on this car when they need to be done.
So what did you switch to these headlights versus the stock ones? What's the difference between stock and these?
The stock doesn't have the little LED strip on the bottom.
And the black housing, right?
Yes, the black housing, that was actually probably the biggest thing.
Nice, okay. And then we'll kind of go to the side. So you also did the drilled rotors on this car, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so drilled rotors, painted the calipers to blue with the F Sport sticker.
Yeah.
You also have like 19-inch big wheels, right? That you're not...
I do, that's actually for summer because these are my winter tires.
Nice, okay. So, yeah, looks good, looks good. Here's the beautiful big exhaust. Those things are huge. We're gonna start it up and you guys will hear the sound of it. What does this mean? It's the engine size? 2.2? I didn't know they make these.
That's actually where the song works. He actually works at Supersonic Boom, and is it Supersonic Boom or is
Supersonic Boom, yeah. That's where they're building the world's fastest plane right now. So they're getting ready to actually finish the project pretty soon. So
gotta represent.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, same thing. Lowered the whole car. What is it, like a 1.5 inch drop?
The back is lowered. The front is I lifted it back up because there was an issue since I keep ripping off my bumper. So the front is actually stock right now.
Gotcha.
The back is
okay. And then like a few more questions. How much did you end up buying this car wrecked on Copart at that time?
I believe I paid $8,000 for it on Copart, and then $8,000 that's what it cost me to fix it.
Okay. And what was the damage?
The damage was it was on this side. It was a front end damage. Airbags were not deployed. It was a fender. I know the rim got even messed up. If you look at this rim, there's like a dent on it.
Oh, so that's the original rim, huh?
Yeah, that is the original rim. The dent is right there.
Wow.
The hood, the fender, the bumper.
Headlight stayed original?
No, headlight was actually replaced with the original headlight.
Okay.
It was kind of it was a little bit more expensive because back then the car was so new that they didn't have no parts on the junkyard.
Right, yeah, so this is a 2006 and you got it in 2009, so yeah. The body was just came out recently, so. Okay, so obviously you've been doing all your work yourself. You never really take it to dealership to do any of the work, so everything's been done by you, right?
Maintenance wise, yes, I have done all the work myself. Dealership, I have been taking it for recalls, and the car was under a warranty for a while.
Nice. Okay, so what do we plan on doing today?
We're planning to change the headlight bulbs to LEDs.
LEDs,
we got some headlight bulbs from
Yep, so here's the product, guys. It's called Audew product. These are LED headlights that will be installed on the car. Very straightforward. They're the, I believe, H7s, correct?
Yes.
H7 product. So here's the product itself. It's a bulb with the fan inside. And then I'm assuming this is kind of like a ballast or something, or what?
I don't think it's a ballast. I think it's just prevents it from flickering. That's
from flickering? Okay. So what is it require to get these swapped?
It's gonna require taking off the bumper.
Taking out the bumper, dang.
And to take off a bumper, it's gonna be quite something. So I guess we're gonna fast forward the whole video.
All right, we'll do a little time lapse, but yeah. Real quick, can you turn on the headlights? Let's just see what they look like right now.
Yes.
so we just took this whole headlight apart. There's actually a lot to remove. This cover right here has about half a dozen bolts, and then yeah, so here's the new bulb in, and Serge is gonna go ahead and turn on the headlights, and we'll show you the difference between the new Audew product headlight and then the one that we had in there previously. There's also a difference in sound, so we'll show you what it looks like. So here's that, what the new one looks like, and then Serge, if you want to put that one in, the old one. There's that one. So this one, yeah, it gives you like a little bit more of like a kind of like a little bit of tint of blue, versus that one's just kind of like a white slash yellow. And now get closer and kind of listen to how loud that thing is. That is pretty loud. And then this one. This one is pretty. This guy is actually pretty quiet.
Should I unplug this one?
Wow, that got even louder over there, huh?
Yeah, I guess when you move it around, it becomes more louder. Yeah. Cheap light bulbs, really.
Yeah, so those are cheap, but yeah, these Audew products, yeah, definitely quieter and nicer color, so definitely a better one. So, all right, let's continue working on it. That took probably like about what, hour and a half to do the whole thing. We had to remove the bumper, remove all the clips, all the bolts. But yeah, not too bad. We tackled the whole task with 3 guys, and yeah, looks good. You want to turn this on again just to show it what it looks like with the bumper? Yeah, let's see. Oh shoot, one is not working.
Are you serious?
I'm kidding. Okay.
Oh, that'll be dumb, man. You don't know.
Nice. Dang. You want to do another start?
Okay, hold on.
Alright guys, so that's a wrap. So once again, the product is called Audew LED headlight kit. So this is the H7 bulb type, and these were the 6000K, what is it, like the color. The code will be in our description, so visit our description, and then also these will be for sale at on Amazon. So yeah, pick one up and enjoy them.
Bye bye.
Alrighty, thanks guys for watching, and hope to see you guys in the next video.